Jai Hind everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Master SSB, and today's picture is in front of your screen. In this picture, a multi-story building is shown damaged with smoke billowing from several windows, suggesting a major fire or a blast. Four young men, all appearing to be in their 20s, are carrying an unconscious or injured person on a stretcher. All five of them are wearing masks. The mood of the rescuers is serious and determined as they are focused on saving lives amidst the chaos. The injured person seems to be unconscious, lying still, and represent the urgency of the rescue operation. So this is the picture, and now let us look at the story. And we cannot make two separate stories on this because it is a very clear picture. आग लगने की बचाना ही पड़ेगा, तो दूसरी थीम तो क्या? So let us look at our story. Rohit worked as a manager in a factory, and one afternoon a sudden explosion shook the building and thick smoke started coming out of several windows. The fire alarm rang and chaos spread quickly among the workers. Without losing time, Rohit immediately informed the fire brigade and ambulance and rushed towards the explosion site, where he and his colleagues began evacuating injured workers. Together they carefully lifted people onto stretchers and carried them one by one to a safer area outside the building. He provided first aid to the injured before the medical aid arrived. He coordinated with others to keep pathways clear for emergency vehicles and also controlled the crowd and tried to pacify the environment. As fire services arrived, he coordinated with the rescue team with further relief work and helped moving the injured into the ambulances. The atmosphere was tense, but he kept calm and motivating others to act steadily. The timely action supported the larger rescue efforts without any loss of lives. Rohit praised the rescuers for their valiant efforts and the public for their cooperation. Okay, so now points to observe regarding the picture. First, acknowledging the negative picture. This is a very important point. इस पिक्चर में वी आर क्लियरली सीइंग द फायर सिचुएशन. बेंचो इसको ज़बरदस्ती मूवी या पेंटिंग मत बनाना. एक्नॉलेज व्हाट इज शोन. द पिक्चर clearly depicted a negative and emergency situation with fire and smoke. Instead of ignoring or twisting it into something unrealistic like a painting or a movie scene, the story directly addressed the crisis. Rohit's action demonstrated how challenges can be accepted head-on and turned into a positive outcome. So please acknowledge the picture and then smartly try to bring a positive outcome out of it. If you dodge the picture, they are gone there and then. So please karna. Second, connection with the picture. The image shows people with masks and smoke in the background, which logically connects to a factory environment with fire and evacuation efforts, because normally in a factory people do wear masks. So instead of assuming our hero coming from outside, we assume that he is a manager in the factory itself. A very minute detail, but then it brings sense and justifies your reasoning ability. The use of masks was integrated naturally into the factory setting. Third, quick decision making. Rohit immediately informed the fire brigade and ambulance, showing his presence of mind and prioritization of safety. Fourth, active leadership. He not only participated in the evacuation but also guided others, cleared pathways and maintained order. Qualities of an effective leader under pressure. Fifth, practical first aid efforts. By providing first aid before medical teams arrived, Rohit showed his readiness to handle emergencies at ground level and his care for others' well-being. Sixth, coordination with rescue services. His cooperation with fire services and ambulance staff highlighted teamwork and the ability to extend leadership beyond his own group. Seventh, calm in crisis. Despite the tense atmosphere, he motivated others to remain steady, displaying mental strength and emotional balance in adversity. Remember one thing, never mention anywhere in your story that your hero felt tensed or worried or shocked or sad or depressed और in any negative situation. आपका हीरो कभी भी वो फील नहीं कर सकता. नेवर यूज सच वर्ड्स. ओके, यूज इट फॉर अदर्स. की सिचुएशन ऐसी थी तो अदर फेल्ट लाइक दैट, बट योर हीरो वॉज काम एंड ही ट्राइड टू काम अदर्स एज वेल. Eighth, positive ending. The conclusion emphasizes that no lives were lost and Rohit appreciated both the rescuers and the public, ensuring the story ends on a hopeful and encouraging note. So friends, this was the story on a fire situation. Many were requesting to me कि सर डूबने वाली पे हो गया, एक्सीडेंट पे हो गया, सब पे हो गया है, फायर वाली पे लाओ. सो हियर इज अ स्टोरी ऑन द फायर सिचुएशन एज वेल. इस पे मैं एक और लेके आऊँगा. तो चलो, इन दिस रेस्क्यू वर्क वाज शोन इन विच ओनली समथिंग इज शोन ऑन फायर और अ पर्सन इज सीन बर्निंग, एंड देन हाउ वी रेस्क्यू और गिव एड टू दैट स्पेसिफिक पर्सन. उस पर आई विल ब्रिंग अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी इन द कमिंग टाइम. ओके, सो दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पिक्चर. It might come in your SSB. I have given you a story. You are prepared for that. All right. Friends, you must have seen a picture in which a young man is walking through the rain in a rural background with the umbrella in his hand. So if you want story on that picture, it is there on your screen. You can click on the video and go through it. So friends, this was our video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind.